Great news for tea and coffee lovers. We're here with the top 5 tea and coffee essential products of 2025 to make your kitchen more modern and comfortable. From a stylish glass teapot to the Aeropress coffee maker, each item offers you a premium brewing experience. Let's dive in and find out which one might become your next favorite kitchen gadget.
Number 1.
Tired of cloudy, metallic-tasting tea ruining your moments? Tea stains, hard-to-clean pots, and lingering odors sound familiar? Struggling with messy pours and burnt fingers? Meet the Gurudar 40O's Glass Pumpkin Teapot, crafted from premium, lead-free borosilicate glass. Stovetop and microwave-safe, brew tea your way. Crystal clear body lets you watch floral teas bloom. Removable infuser filters leaves. No more residue in your cup. Easy pour gooseneck spout prevents drips and spills. Natural wood handle stays cool, protecting your hands. Before, cloudy tea, tough cleanup, awkward pouring. After, pure flavor, effortless cleaning, smooth serving. Perfect for gatherings, daily rituals, or thoughtful gifting. Enjoy tea, coffee, or even fruit infusions with one pot. Simple, beautiful, and risk-free. Your tea deserves this upgrade. Try Gurudar today. Taste the difference in every pour.
Number 2.
Tired of lukewarm tea ruining your relaxing moments? Imagine cozy evenings at home. Tea always perfectly warm. Meet the Hugfita Teapot. Warmer, your new tea time essential. It gently heats tea, coffee, milk, or snacks indoors and outdoors. Enjoy a warm glow that adds comfort and ambiance to any setting. The open-work design isn't just stylish, it creates beautiful light patterns. Crafted from premium aluminum alloy and elegant wood for durability. The sturdy base ensures stability while looking refined on any table. Separate the aluminum top and wooden base effortlessly to light a candle. No complicated setup. Just simple, effective warmth anytime you need it. Keeps your drinks and food warm, elevating every gathering or quiet night. Perfect for tea enthusiasts, home entertainers, or thoughtful gift-giving. You get the teapot warmer, teapot and tea lights sold separately. Questions? Our team replies within 24 hours for your peace of mind. Upgrade your tea experience. Bring home the Hugfita Teapot Warmer today.
Number 3.
Tired of cold, unappetizing food at gatherings? Imagine every dish staying perfectly warm hours after serving. Meet the food warming mat, 24-16 inches of pure convenience. Select from 7 precise temperature settings, 104 to 12 degrees. Keep food deliciously warm for up to 99 hours. Crafted with nano silicone, safe, durable, and easy to clean. Rapid stereo heat transfer delivers even, efficient warming. Compatible with metal, ceramic, glass, and enamel tableware. Foldable design. Store or transport effortlessly after your event. Dual safety. Automatic 5-hour shutoff prevents overheating. Child lock feature keeps little ones safe from accidental burns. Perfect for family dinners, parties, holidays, and religious gatherings. Also ideal for dough fermentation and thawing frozen foods. Upgrade your hosting, serve every meal at its best temperature. Ready to impress your guests? Try the food warming mat today.
Number 4.
Tired of bitter, gritty coffee from fancy machines? Frustrated by messy cleanups and bulky coffee makers? Hotel and campsite coffee always disappoints, right? Meet the Aeropress Original Coffee Press. This compact press combines 3 brew methods in one. Enjoy smooth, rich coffee. No grit, no bitterness. Patented 3-in-1 technology extracts pure, fresh flavors fast. Use finer grounds for a full-bodied cup every time. No more messy grounds, cleanup takes just seconds. Lightweight, shatterproof, and travel-ready for any adventure. French press leaves grit and bitterness behind. Aeropress delivers clean, smooth coffee, every single cup. Perfect for coffee lovers at home or on the go. Makes a standout gift for any coffee enthusiast. Enjoy delicious coffee anywhere. No compromise, no hassle. Upgrade your coffee experience with Aeropress today.
Number 5.
Upgrade your kitchen with this 2L clear glass simmer pot. Imagine preparing healthy soup, pasta, or baby food effortlessly. The transparent glass lets you monitor cooking without lifting the lid. No more heat or steam loss, enjoy even continuous cooking. Crafted from 3.5mm thick borosilicate glass. Lead and BPA free. Safe for your family. Perfect for chemical-free, healthy meals. Handles extreme temperatures, from 4 degrees to 752 degrees with ease. Compatible with gas, electric, infrared stoves, oven, and microwave. Anti-scald handles ensure safe, comfortable handling every time. Ideal for home cooks, parents, and health-conscious users alike. Use it for cooking, storing leftovers, or even simmering home fragrances. Each pot includes a handy clip-on strainer and a mini recipe cookbook. Sleek, modern design, perfect for serving straight from stove to table. Experience upgraded convenience and versatility in your daily cooking. Transform your kitchen routine. Choose the Crystal Brew Glass Simmer Pot. Order now and make healthy, stylish cooking effortless.
Thanks for watching. Links in the description box for each product mentioned.